Guys, first of all, check out this channel called On the Pitch IQ. It posts football edits. If we visit this channel, you'll see that it uploads a lot of football edits and they get really good views. If we look at its popular shorts, many of them have millions of views, like 40 million, 35 million, 20 million, and many more have crossed millions of views. And if we look at its lifetime views, it has 437 million lifetime views and it has uploaded only 176 videos. Even with that, it has 179,000 subscribers. Similarly, let's look at another channel called Football Protocol. If we visit this channel, it also uploads the same type of football-related videos. It uploads both long-form videos and shorts. If we go to its videos and select the popular section, its popular long-form videos have received 1 million views, 1 million views, 800,000 views, 700,000 views, and many more like that. Its shorts also get really good views. If we check its popular shorts, many of them have millions of views as well. This channel also gets excellent views, and even though it has very few videos, it has gained a very good number of subscribers. Now, if we look at the earnings of these channels, they have earned really well. For example, Football Protocol has a monthly earning of up to $3.5 thousand, which is quite a lot for a shorts and long-form channel. In the last 30 days, it got 800,000 views and 4,000 subscribers. Similarly, if we look at On the Pitch IQ, it earns up to $11,000 per month. In the last 30 days, it got 2.9 million views and 2,000 subscribers. Now we're going to see how these shorts videos are made. So let's get started. Hey, I'm the Rich Dodo. I'm on a mission to make money online. If you want to build with me, hit subscribe and let's figure it out together. First of all, I'll give you a document. I'll put its link in the description. In that document, you'll find all the prompts like the hook generation prompt, script generation prompt, and all the other prompts that I've used in this video. You'll also find the links to the tools. You can visit it. I'll add the link in the description. After opening that document, the first thing we need to do is our channel branding. So we'll copy the branding prompt from there. Then we'll go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt there, and click Send. ChatGPT will ask us for some details about our channel, like what niche our channel is in. We'll simply write our niche, for example, football edits. Then it will give us a lot of great channel name ideas. If you don't like any of them, you can simply type more names, and it will generate even more channel name ideas. Then you can choose any one you like. For example, I liked Beyond 90, so I'll choose that. ChatGPT will then give me a branding prompt for it. Next, we'll go to Google Flow and log in. After logging in, we'll paste our prompt into Google Flow. Make sure to deselect the agent, then select Nano Banana and choose the 4-image option. After that, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Google Flow. It will take a little time and then it will generate a really nice profile image for you. From those options, select whichever one you like. I like this one, so I selected it. After that, copy the banner prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the same flowchart. It will generate several really nice banners for you. I like the first banner the most, so I'll select that. Next, we need to do topic finding. After that, we need to create the channel description. We'll ask ChatGPT for a description. It will generate a great channel description along with tags that suit your channel and help improve your reach. From there, select the channel description, tags, SEO, and everything else you need. After that, copy the topic generation prompt from the document and paste it into a new ChatGPT chat. It will give you a lot of viral video topic ideas. From those, select whichever topic you like. It gave me many options, but I like the second one, Zidane lose the World Cup, so I'll choose that. Next, we'll copy the hook plus script generation prompt from the document and paste it into a new ChatGPT chat. Then copy the topic you selected and paste it there. ChatGPT will generate a really good script. After that, we need to find clips. For clip finding, first go to YouTube and search for that specific moment. You'll find many royalty-free and copyright-free clips there. Copy the link and download it using any website. I can't mention the name of any website because of YouTube policies. Another option is the footballia.eu website. You can search for any match or player there and download clips. However, it's quite a lengthy and difficult process, so I didn't explain it in detail. After that, we'll generate the voice. For voice generation, go to 11 Labs and log in. After logging in, click Continue and skip wherever needed. Then select Personal Use and Text-to-Speech. We're going to use everything for free. Next, go to Voice Selection and search for Brian because it's the best voice for this niche. Let's listen to the voice first.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in it.
Perfect.
Okay, the voice sounds good. Now select that voice, copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it there. Then trim any part if needed and click Generate. It will generate the audio for you. Listen to the audio once and if you like it, download it. There's a download button on the side. After that, we'll download the editing assets. We only need to download 2 or 3 images. Go to Google and search for red round circle PNG. Download whichever one you like. Then search for red arrow PNG and download whichever one you prefer. Go to the images section and you'll find many options. Select the one you like and download it. After that, we'll move on to editing. I'll edit on my phone because it's easier for me. First, add your short video clip. Then add your AI-generated voice. After adding the voice, go to auto captioning and generate auto captions. This will create nice captions automatically without you having to do them manually. From the available styles, select whichever one you like. I like this one, so I'll select it. Then click Generate. It will take a little time and apply the captions. After that, add background music. Then place all your clips line by line according to the voiceover. This is a very simple edit and very easy to do. Wherever a channel logo appears in any clip, blur it, just like I did. Then add the red circle and red arrow wherever you think they fit best. Finish the rest of the editing in the same simple way. That's it. Your work is done, and your video is ready. If you upload it exactly like this, there's a very high chance that it will go viral. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe for more videos like this. Which topic should I come next with? Let know in the comments below. And remember, if Dodo can do it, so can you.